Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I am doing a plan with me, and I thought this would be super fun. I've had the word gratitude on my mind quite a bit with the start of the new year. So this is an oldie but a goodie from Miss Victoria Thatcher. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. And it is, I don't even know how old it is, but I know I used it once in 2018. And just loved it. So I pulled it back out and I resized it a little bit, and this is what I'm going to use this time. So check out this artwork. It's just really cool. So there's several different tags here that say today I'm grateful for, and you can fill them in daily. This weekend I am grateful for, and you can fill that in for the weekend. I actually printed 2 of those. We've got some beautiful flags, little bicycles, so cute. The more grateful I am, the more beauty I see, and on and on and on. So just some really cute artwork, some glitter washi built in. Have a thankful heart, I love that. So I took this PDF file from her website, and I will share a link below, of course, and turned it into stickers. And this time I was a little bit lazy. I didn't do my normal nice rounded rectangle sheets, because one of the thoughts is I'm going to use all of these. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use every one of them, so no point in worrying about having the right size left over to put in my sticker storage, and I just wanted to save a little bit of space. So printed them out. It took a page and a half of my sticker paper, and I think they came out just darling. So this is what I'm going to use today. I haven't chosen any washi yet. Not sure if I'm even going to use any, because these stickers are, some of them are pretty big. So let's get started. If you want to see how this turns out, then stick around and we will get started. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to get started. I showed you my stickers. I let you know I probably won't use any washi other than this that is already designed and built into my stickers. So because the stickers are pretty large, I probably should have made these a little bit smaller, but there's probably not going to be much room for washi. And I don't have my standard social media tags in here, which I think I'm going to use these tags to just handwrite them, and you'll see how awful my handwriting is and why I very rarely do it if I don't have to. And I think that's it. So if you want to see it, let's get started. Pull out your planner, get some kind of a drink. Today I am having a beer, and so I'm super excited about that. And I'm going to start the music. Let's have some fun and let's get planning. Okay guys, so this is it. My final spread. This is for my week of January 28th through February 3rd. Super easy before the pen. I really just let the stickers do the work. So I do have some leftovers. I have this, which I'm not sure, maybe I will use it. It depends on how many appointments and things come up during the week. I do have an extra I am grateful for, and that's because I did 2 of the weekend banners and forgot to delete one, but I wanted to do the large ones for, this will be for Sunday, that will be for Saturday, and I've got one little box for a meeting left, and then I have a few flags that I'll use for other appointments. So I know I will use all of these with the exception of that in the next couple of days. So I'm going to wrap this up. I think it turned out beautiful. Again, please check out Victoria Thatcher if you haven't seen her website yet. This is an oldie but a goodie called Gratitude. I think it turned out really nice. What do you think? Give me some opinions and your thoughts if you like it, if you were going to pull this and use it for yourself. But super easy, super fast, very simple. And I've got plenty of room to write in all of my appointments and my social media tags. I'm just using these flags, so I'll handwrite that in, and I will add in my appointments. Probably put a meal planner over here, and I'm going to be good to go. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I enjoy hearing from you. If you have any comments, suggestions, recommendations, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And I will see you in the next video. Remember, please be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye, guys.